You're tired, you're foggy, you're not sick, but you're not okay either, and nobody can explain why. I can. Your body is missing something right now. Something tiny, something invisible. And by the end of this video, you'll finally know what it is. Vitamins. Most people think they're optional. They're not. They're the difference between a body that thrives and a body that slowly breaks down. And here's what's terrifying. Over 90% of Americans are deficient in at least one right now, without knowing it, without feeling it, until it's too late. These are not just nutrients in a bottle. They are chemical signals that tell your heart to beat, your brain to think, your immune system to fight. Without them, nothing works the way it should. Today, we cover every essential vitamin your body desperately needs, what each one does, what happens when it runs out, and the one vitamin almost nobody talks about that controls nearly everything. Let's go. Let's start with the one most people have heard of, but almost nobody truly understands: vitamin D. Here's something most people don't know. Vitamin D is not actually a vitamin, it's a hormone. Your body produces it when sunlight hits your skin. But in America, most people spend their days indoors, behind desks, behind screens, and that means most Americans are not getting nearly enough. So what does vitamin D actually do? It strengthens your bones by helping your body absorb calcium. It regulates your immune system, telling it when to fight and when to stop. It controls your mood. Low vitamin D is directly linked to depression and anxiety. It even affects your memory and focus. Without enough vitamin D, your bones weaken, your immune system fails, your energy disappears, your mood crashes. And the terrifying part? You can walk around deficient for years, feeling exhausted and depressed, and never connected to this one missing vitamin. The fix is simple: sunlight, fatty fish, egg yolks, or a good vitamin D supplement. Small change, massive difference. Next, vitamin B12. And this one is critical for your brain. B12 does something nothing else in your body can do. It protects your nerve cells. Think of your nerves like electrical wires. B12 maintains the insulation around those wires, called the myelin sheath. Without that insulation, signals between your brain and body become slow, confused, damaged. B12 also helps your body produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to every organ you have. When B12 is low, you feel exhausted, confused, forgetful. Your hands and feet go numb. Your mood becomes unstable. In severe cases, it can cause permanent nerve damage. Permanent. B12 is mostly found in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, which means if you don't eat animal products, you are almost certainly deficient right now. And even meat eaters over 50 often struggle to absorb B12 properly. This is one vitamin you cannot afford to ignore. Now, vitamin C. Everyone thinks they know this one. They don't. Vitamin C supports your immune system, but it does something far more important that most people never hear about. It builds collagen. Collagen is the protein that holds your entire body together: your skin, your joints, your blood vessels, your tendons. Without vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen. Wounds stop healing properly, your gums bleed, your joints ache, your skin loses its strength. Vitamin C is also one of the most powerful antioxidants your body has, fighting the daily damage caused by stress, pollution, and processed food. The good news, vitamin C is everywhere. Oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, broccoli, only if you're actually eating them. Vitamin A. This one controls something you use every second of your life: your vision. Vitamin A is essential for seeing in low light. It keeps the surface of your eyes moist and healthy. Without it, night blindness develops, your eyes dry out, your vision slowly deteriorates. But vitamin A goes beyond your eyes. It maintains your skin barrier, your body's first line of defense against bacteria and viruses. It supports cell growth, meaning every time your body needs to repair itself, vitamin A is involved. It even plays a role in reproductive health and fetal development. Low vitamin A means dry eyes, skin problems, frequent infections, and slow healing. It's found in carrots, sweet potatoes, eggs, and liver. Foods your grandparents ate every week that most people today have completely forgotten about. Now, here is the one almost nobody talks about: vitamin K. Your doctor has probably never mentioned it, but without it, your blood cannot clot properly. A simple cut could bleed far longer than it should. But here's the part that should really get your attention. Vitamin K controls where calcium goes in your body. Think about that for a second. Calcium needs to go into your bones to keep them strong, but without vitamin K, calcium goes somewhere else instead. It builds up inside your arteries. Your arteries. That calcium buildup hardens your blood vessels, making your heart work harder and dramatically increasing your risk of heart disease. Low vitamin K is one of the most overlooked causes of both brittle bones and cardiovascular disease in America. It's found in leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Simple vegetables, extraordinary power. Vitamin E. Think of this as your body's personal shield. Every single day, your cells are under attack, from pollution, from stress, from processed food, from the sun. These attacks create something called free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells from the inside. Vitamin E is one of the most powerful antioxidants your body has to fight them. It protects your cell membranes, it keeps your skin healthy and strong, it supports your immune system, it even protects your eyes from age-related damage. Without enough vitamin E, your cells age faster than they should. Your immune system weakens. Your skin loses its protection. Your body breaks down sooner than it needs to. Vitamin E is found in nuts, seeds, sunflower oil, and avocados. A small handful of almonds every day can make a real difference. And now, the B vitamins. There are 8 of them, and together they are responsible for almost every energy process in your body. B1, thiamine, converts the food you eat into usable energy. Without it, your nervous system starts to fail. B2, riboflavin, breaks down fats and proteins and keeps your skin and eyes healthy. B3, niacin, supports your nervous system, improves circulation, and helps lower bad cholesterol. B5, pantothenic acid, helps your body produce hormones, break down fats, and recover from stress. B6, this one is critical for your brain. B6 helps produce serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals that control your mood, motivation, and sleep. Low B6 is directly linked to depression, irritability, and insomnia. B7, biotin, keeps your hair thick, your nails strong, and your skin clear. B9, folate, essential for cell growth and DNA repair, especially critical during pregnancy. Low folate can cause serious birth defects. And B12, which we already covered, the one your brain and nervous system cannot survive without. If you constantly feel tired, anxious, mentally foggy, or emotionally unstable, a B vitamin deficiency is very likely the reason, and most people never find out. Here's what I want you to take away from all of this. Your body is not broken. It's not weak. It's not failing because of your age. It's missing what it needs to function. Vitamins are not a luxury. They're not optional. They are the foundation of everything: your energy, your brain, your immunity, your heart, your skin. The good news, most of these deficiencies are completely fixable through food, through sunlight, through small, consistent changes, starting today. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. You just need to start paying attention to what your body is asking for. It's been sending you signals. Now you know what they mean. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Health Simplified. Every week, we break down exactly how your body works in plain English so you can make smarter decisions for your health. I'll see you in the next one.